live. I don't know if I'm live on YouTube as well. Let's see here. What's going on? Oh, hey, I am live. Let's just trying to refresh the YouTube one to see if there's oh, whatever. I don't know if it's working. That is something I should know, right? If it's working or not. So today we are doing some work in ComfyUI. We're going to be making some AI stuff, you know? Oh, we got watching on YouTube. That's cool. I haven't been on YouTube in ages. I've been deep in the mental illness. Okay, so we're just going to clear this whole workflow. Going to start from something. So we want to load a checkpoint. So basically what I'm trying to do right now is my house looks bad. And I want to change that. And instead of being a dork and cleaning my house like some sort of loser, I'm going to generate a new background for me, you know? All right, so I'm just going to set up a quick little workflow here. So this program is called ComfyUI. It's utilizing the StableDiffusion model to, you know, give you a lot of like flexibility and like control over what the actual image you get is. So I want to do, let's take an empty latent image. What sort of resolution? It should be 16 by 9. So what's, if the width is 512, what would the height be? So we're going to go, yeah, 16 over 9 is equal to 512 over x. Doing a little math. Doing some math there. Okay. So then you multiply each side by x, so you get 16x equals 512 times 9. What is 512 times 9? That's 18. 9 times 1 is 10. 9 times 5. What's 9 times 5? 40? 45? 45. 45 plus 1, 46. So 4608. 608 is equal to 16x. 4608 divided by 16 is 16 goes. I'm not doing that one manually. 4608 divided by 16. We're looking at 288. That's the height. All right. Cool. So what are we looking at right here for? Can I see chat? No, I don't want to overlay chat. Okay. So this whole background doesn't work for me. I don't like it. I kind of want to be on a spaceship. I kind of want to be in space. So let's go to ComfyUI. We're going to say spaceship interior. Spaceship command. Yeah, let's try that. See what we get. Oh shoot, I'm using the wrong model. It's going to be a cartoon spaceship. That's all right. I want to use Photon LCM. Let's bring it down to 4 and 1. And what do we get? We got a pretty decent cartoon spaceship, honestly. That's not a bad background. Let's keep the seed the same. And let's run it with Photon LCM instead. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I want to say like bay windows, galaxies in background, stars. I want to really see space, you know? There we go. Okay. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. So what we want to do is I'm just checking to see if no one's watching at all. That's fine. What we want to do is we want to upscale it. So let's go upscale. Where is it? Ultimate SD upscale. That's what we want. And we just want to plug everything into it exactly the same. And we want this final image to come out larger than it is. Upscale model loader. Let's go 4x ultra sharp. And then for the model, we'll just do that. And then we're going to preview that image. And we want to make it kind of large. I would say by 3. So let's do that. Upscale it by 3. So this is probably going to take a little while. Yeah, there's going to be 6 tiles. Oh, it's going pretty fast, actually. We're done 3 tiles. 4. So this is the original image. It's quite blurry, you know, not ideal, not perfect, not what we want. And here's the upscaled image. Beautiful, incredible. And see how they're very similar. But notice there's so much more detail in this one. Whereas in this one, none at all. The magic of AI. So now what we want to do is we want to save image. I'm going to go into documents, spaceship background, and go into Restream here. Go into our settings, virtual background, and I'm just going to upload the spaceship background as my background. And there we have it, folks. Use case demonstrated. But this is the beginning of the cool things that we can do. This is the beginning of everything. So now I want to do something a little funky. So we're going to get rid of all this. We don't need any of that. We can still use Photon LCM. That's fine. This image is garbage bullshit. We can delete it. Let me go into my Gmail because I sent myself. All right, I sent myself a picture. Let's see here. Just gonna download this picture into document. Oh wait, shoot. What? I sent that. Hold on. Stand by, everybody. Just gonna check my email. What the hell's going on? Okay, finally it's sending. Gmail is so glitchy sometimes. Gmail's so wild, dude. Gmail's a freaking wild card. All right, I want to download this image. You are going to see what I'm talking about in a second. Don't worry, no one's even watching, so who cares? Going to go to load image, documents, mosaic tile. All right. So I went to a movie theater last night and I was pissing and I looked at the wall and there was this beautiful texture and I really liked it. So I took a picture of it and we're going to do something interesting with it. So we go to upscale image. Oh, yeah. So I want this image to be 512 by 512 and we're going to center it. Yeah. And then we'll preview the image. Let's just do that because I just want to see it. Yeah, okay. Doesn't lose too much. Oh, hey, it generated a different spaceship. Oh no, it just generated something. That's cool. There was even not even a prompt there. What else will it generate? Try again. Oh, I guess let's change it to a random seed. These are just like, I'm just telling it, dream, just make up something. That's so cool. I hope we don't get like a friggin' dick or something, because that does happen sometimes. All right, so, oh, I know what I want to do. I want to make a portrait of a man with a straw hat. Cool. All right, and we can probably bring this back to 512. That'll be, yeah, there we go. Okay. I like that he's Asian. Asian man with a straw hat. You don't see that every day. It's probably shouldn't. Oh, well. Okay. So I want to keep it fixed. So every time we generate this image, it's going to be this guy. Okay, we changed it, but it's that guy. All right. So now we're going to add in what's called an IP adapter. And what this is going to do is we're going to take the style of this image, the essence of it, and we're going to apply it onto this. And you can get some pretty cool looking effects by doing things like this. So we just got to load an IP adapter model. We'll do IP adapter plus, and then we need to load a clip vision model. Don't ask me what that is. I have no idea. And we load an image, and we're going to change it to style transfer. And yeah, we just let the magic happen. What do we got here? All right, not bad. Not great though. Didn't quite happen the way I want. So let's bring the weight up to 2 and see if that does anything. Okay, yeah, now we're starting to get somewhere. I'm pretty sure it starts really glitching out if you bring it up to like 3 or more. Yeah, okay. So that didn't work as well as I wanted. Let's try add, subtract. It looks pretty much exactly the same. Maybe if we increase the resolution of the image, it doesn't really do anything either. I do kind of, it looks all right like that, but it's not quite what I'm looking for. So we're going to try a different method, which is visual style prompting. And allegedly, this is a much better way of doing it. So let's go mosaic tile wall. And that's just what the reference image is. We got to hook everything up in here. Get the model hooked up to there. Reference image is going to be this guy. We're going to bring it back down to 512 because I don't know if doing that's good. Okay, and let's just give this a shot. Oh, it needs a V. There we go. Uh-oh. Got some sort of error there. What was the error? Invalid input for size of 0. Uh-oh. What's... I'm sure it's just a dumb mistake that we have. Maybe I'll try this as my latent. Will that work? Oh, that did work. Aha! It just recreated the image. That's super funny. All right. Well, that's not quite what we want. That is quite what we want. Can I? So I just can't. I can't use another latent image. What the hell? But I usually can. I don't get why. Denoise. Let's bring that to 0.8. Does that do anything? Clearly, I do not know. Oh, okay. All right. I guess. 0.5. What does that do? Okay. So 1 does nothing. 0.5 does nothing. You know, I expected this to be a lot more impressive. And it's really not. Let's try it with clouds. I've always wanted to do it with clouds. Let's go. Oh, did I crash Windows Explorer? Damn it. That does happen sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like I may have crashed Windows Explorer. Documents, projects, manning clouds. We're just going to open up a cloud image. Try that. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Let's bring them. Just looks like a vacation photo. Am I doing something wrong here? I feel like I might be doing something wrong here. I don't know. That's so funny though. Oh yeah, I got a meeting soon. All right. This was a fun first stream. I mean, I'm gonna stream for a little longer, but I keep getting Instagram messages. I mean, we can do something else, like I can get rid of that. Let's go control net, apply advanced control net, and advanced control, load advanced control net model. So I'm going to use this one called QR Monster. And don't get scared. Don't get worried. It's not an actual monster. I definitely shouldn't have deleted that, the image that I loaded in, because I was going to use that. Oh well. I'll just bring it back in. Okay, bring the model there. I'm going to need, yeah, I'm now going to need the image. So let's go load image. Let's bring the clouds in. Upscale image to 512 by 512. Get a little preview of that. Put it in the center, and there we go. So now we should be generating this guy, and he'll look like the clouds. He'll like just kind of look. Oh, maybe he won't. Run shape 111280 is invalid. Input size is 0. What's 1280? What? Hua. So we made 2 batches. Wow. Ooh. Looks like shit. Why can't it just make 1? What's going on here? Bypass this. Does that work? No. What? What is happening? Maybe I'm just going to restart ComfyUI. Okay. I guess that fixed it. Why is it doing that? So it's trying to make the image look like that image. Let's try 2. Ooh. 4. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see the image. It looks bad. Maybe this isn't the best image to use for that. Oh yeah, I made this like fake Barney. Actually, let's like get a picture of something. Let's get a picture of a famous Morgan Freeman. Just gonna get a photo of Morgan Freeman. Any old one. Any old one will do. Here, he looks pretty distinguished in this one. Let's go to open. Save image as Freeman. Download, save it to downloads. Cool. And we'll open it up. Downloads. Oh my gosh. ComfyUI does some crazy shit to my computer. I don't know if it's good. Oh, okay. There we go. All right. So now let's go like a snowy landscape. And it's going to make a snowy landscape that looks like Morgan Freeman's face. Wow, look at that. Hollywood party, neon lights, hyper detailed, realistic, photorealistic, fake word in worst quality bad. Okay, so yeah, now it's gonna make a Hollywood party. I don't. What the fuck? What does that even mean? What? City. Let's try like forest, woods, trees, nature, landscape, photography, highlight, no photorealistic HD. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, I guess. Kinda. Bring the strength down. Okay, so let's slowly bring it up. Let's bring it up to like 3. What does that look like? It's just Morgan Freeman's face. Bring it back to 2. What's that look like? It's also Morgan Freeman's face. 1. Yep. Not that great, honestly. I was going for something great, and this is not that great. What's this? How about let's try that guy? Okay. All right. Well, bring that down to 0.8. 0.9. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Should be LCM? Does that make it better? No. Makes it way worse. Why is it so shitty? Is it just the seed? No, it's like bad. Why is it so bad? Maybe skip the model? I mean, that's way better, but okay. A lot of this is not that great. Meow. Wow, wow, wow. Just seeing if this gets into my. So, okay. So it went up. Oh, and then it went up there. Okay. So I should be seeing everything. I don't get why this isn't working very well. It typically works quite well, but it's not today for some reason. What's this? It's a city. And we're gonna let's bring the default values back. Okay. Well, been going like half an hour. I think I'm gonna stop.